how to sell minimalist watches on Etsy. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sell your own product using this platform. So let's get started first by explaining the platform for you. So guys, Etsy.com is a platform where you can sell your own products or where you can buy the other sellers' products. So as you can see in here, we have a lot of products to buy and a lot of categories to work on. You can work on jewelry and accessories, clothing, home, toys, and so on. And here we have a lot of products from a lot of sellers making a lot of money. So I'm going to show you how you can be one of them right now. So first, before that, let's check one of these products, for example. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a shop page like this one, how you can set all of these details, set your shipping and return policies, and all of that. So basically, I'm going to show you how you can be a seller like those other sellers in Etsy and how you can make a lot of money from it. So let's just go back to the first page by closing this one. Then go to the top right. In here, click on the Shop Manager button. Then you will proceed to setting up your Etsy shop. So in order to set your Etsy shop, you will need to go through 6 steps, as you can see. So the first one is the shop preferences. Then comes naming your shop. Then stock in your shop. Then you will choose how you'll get paid. You set up your payment processors and your shop security. So let's start from the first one, which is the shop preferences. So here you choose the shop's language, the shop's country, and the shop's currency. So I'm just going to change the shop's currency to the United States dollar. Then click on save and continue to proceed to the next step, which is naming your shop. So here just type the name that you want for the shop. And as you can see, it's already taken. You can choose one of these options in here, or you can just add a number to your name and it will be unique. Then click on save and continue to proceed to the next step, which is adding some photos and details about your item. You fill out what you can for now. You'll be able to edit this later. So guys, before even proceeding to adding the photos and details about the product, click on save and continue first to see all of the required fields to fill. So here the first one is photos. You will need at least to upload one photo. Then for the inventory, you have here the pricing. So here make sure to give your product a good price. Then you have the listing details, where you will need to fill all of these red fields. Then for the shipping, also you will need to fill all of these red fields. So let's start from the first one, which is photos, and here add as many as you can so buyers can see every detail. Use up to 10 photos to show your item's most important qualities. And for some tips, use natural light and no flash. Include a common object for scale. Show the item being held, worn, or used. Shoot against a clean, simple background. Add photos to your variations so buyers can see all their options. Then we have the video. Bring your product to life with a 5 to 15 second video. It could help you drive more sales. The video won't feature sound, so let your product do the talking. And for some quick tips, film wearable items on a model or show a functional item being used. Adjust your settings to record high resolution video. Aim for 1080 pixels or higher. Crop your video after you upload it to get the right dimensions. And if you want to learn how to make videos that sell, you can just click on this link. Then you have the listing details. So here, tell the world all about your item and why they'll love it. So we start with the title. Let's type the title of the product and we answer these 3 questions. Who made it? The product, of course. I did, the member of my shop or another company or person. It's good, I did. What is it? A finished product or a supply or tool? A finished product. when did you make it? You have three categories to choose from: not yet made, recently, or vintage. Let's go with recently. Then we have the category of the product. So here just type the name of the product and you will have a lot of categories to choose from. Let's choose man's wristwatches. And here you have some suggestions to fill, some additional details to fill, like the case material, the gemstone, band material, primary colors, secondary colors, sustainability, and a lot of additional details to go through. And all of them are optional, so you can just leave them for later. So here you have the readout power. You can choose in here if it's on battery power or mechanical or solar. And for the readout as well, you can choose if it's analog, digital, analog and digital in the same time. So here I'm just going to leave all that and proceed to the renewal options. So if you want to use an automatic renewal, you can do that, but it costs 20 cents each time, or you can use the free one, which is the manual. Then the type of the product, if it's physical or digital. So in my case, it's obviously physical. Then for the description, if you want to write a good or to type a good description for the product, make sure to start with a brief overview that describes your item's finest features. Shoppers will only see the first few lines of your description at first, so make it count. Not sure what else to say? Shoppers also like hearing about your process and the story behind this item. Then we have the production partners, if you want to add any in here. Then for the section category, for the section tags and material, they are optional, so I'm going to leave them for later. And for the price, make sure to give it a fair price for you and for your clients. So this is just an example. Then for the shipping, make sure to fill the red fields, as I said in the beginning. Then for the returns and exchanges policy, you can apply the 30 days policy, or you can choose another one by creating your own, and here you can accept or refuse whatever you like. If you want the returns and exchanges, or you want none of them, you can then click on save and apply, and then click on save and continue. So that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.